My name is Amir Erez. I'm the CEO and founder of Twilight Cyber. So we are coming here to GISEC 2023 with our innovative solution for early detection of compromised credentials. What we do actually is we monitor a company's domains from the outside, no installation, no integration, and we have an extremely fast detection in a matter of hours of any compromised machine of those organizations, and we bring back the full event, meaning we say to the organization, this computer was hacked, this date and this time, and here is the full list of all credentials, all cookies that were leaked from your company. By doing that, we are preventing almost totally the chances of being hacked by a ransomware attack. I think that the world of cybersecurity goes from physical security, protecting the company's premises and computers, hardware. It goes to protecting identities, protecting the identities of the employees. Attack surface is growing, and every typical employee has now tens of different credentials. And protecting those identities, I believe, is the main challenge today, and this is what we're doing in Twilight Cyber. I think the main innovative news from our product is that we have an extremely early detection. The time here is very critical between the leakage, potential leakage of identities to the ransomware attack. Typically, it's a few weeks' time. And once we bring a very early detection of those credentials leaked, and we bring the full information, we reduce dramatically the time to provide a ransomware attack, and by that we reduce dramatically the chances of such a ransomware attack to happen.